Hello, this is Chris Burns from Android Community. Today we're taking a look at HTC Sense 5.0. Now the device we're looking at right now is the HTC One. This was released early in 2013, and the operating system user interface we're looking at, Sense 5.0, may be appearing on devices throughout the year and through 2014. At the moment it's only appearing here on the HTC One. Now what you're seeing here is two sort of distinct modes. One being Blinkfeed. With Blinkfeed, you're able to get several different sorts of views. You can look at it just with Facebook. You can look at your sort of categories that you like, and with Twitter and different apps throughout the future. The other thing you can see here is this is one of your home screens. It's sort of like a giant widget, but it sort of replaces the entire screen, whereas your next screen is sort of more traditional in Android in that you can put your icons there, you can put your widgets of different sizes there, and such like that. Now down here you see your app drawer as you normally would see it, except you're seeing these apps in a much more sort of gigantic way than you normally would. There's 3 across and 3 down, whereas in the past there's been, quite a few more. Now this is unique to HTC in that you're able to change this. You can change it to custom. That's what we got right now, alphabetical and most recent. These first 3 screens you're seeing right here are apps that have come with the device, up into Linpack. From Linpack below, these are things that we've added and we'll be looking at in the hands-on for this review. Now, you also see that if you pull down the screen here, you have a unique look at how Jelly Bean works with Android, in that you have notifications here. There's none right at this moment, but they sort of show up the same way they would with Jelly Bean, but you also have a power saver, and you're able to go to your settings. If you go to settings, you also see many of the same options you would with normal Jelly Bean, which is what this is working with, but you also have a Sense sort of look to it. It's a little bit, it's brighter. You can see its icons to the left, and there's even a little different sort of bounce up and down. You'll have the same sort of developer options to change the things that you want, like that. You can get to your power, different storage options here. You can see there's a whole new different HTC look at how you are using your power. You can see we've been on this for 21 hours. Most of that's been on standby, but it's really, it seems to be a really amazing battery thus far. You can get to your Beats audio right through there, change gestures that you want to work with, transfer content from here to your computer and back, and you can personalize. Now this is a thing that's sort of an HTC's specialty, in that you're able to have a whole different user setup here for customizing your screens. If you go to here, you're able to just see the sort of same interface you saw before, where you have your Blinkfeed and then your extra panels. If I go back, I'll have to go back through this way. You also have the ability to change your wallpapers through here. You can change your lock screen style. There's several different kinds with productivity, photo album, music, that sort of thing. You can also go to customize your home screen widgets. That's what we just saw. You can change your ringtone, notification sounds, and your alarm, all from this one screen. You'll see we have Bluetooth options, that sort of stuff up here. This is sort of normal, and from there it's just looks a little bit different and is a little bit easier to use than standard Android. So there you have it. That's a quick look at Sense 5.0, and take a look at the rest of the review of the HTC One on Android Community.